Today we're going to focus on seated neutral dumbbell shoulder press. For this exercise, you're going to need an incline bench. We want to make sure that we're keeping our elbows nice and tight, which is why I like using a single dumbbell. So, as you can see, I don't have the incline bench all the way straight. I have it one pin down. Keeping my elbows nice and tight, I'm pressing straight up all the way through the ceiling. In this front view, you can really see how using one dumbbell helps you keep your elbows nice and tight, really engaging into that front delt by not allowing your elbows to flare. So that was seated neutral dumbbell press. This is really great for the front of your delt. A couple things you want to make sure of here is that your elbows always stay nice and tight. So you don't want them flaring out, which is why I love using a single dumbbell. With two dumbbells, there's more of a chance that your elbows will flare, especially at the top. So you really want to make sure that those elbows are really tight. Press them straight up, really feeling that into the front of your delt. Alright guys, hit the like button down below if you like the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. Hit the little subscribe button up here. Keep checking back for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.